everybody, Shane Setter here with Royal LePage Wheeler Sham. I'm here in the middle of Chilliwack to present to you this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom split entry home on Larch Avenue. This is an amazing home. Great family neighborhood, beautiful setup, 3 bedrooms upstairs, 1 bedroom downstairs, big backyard for entertainment, covered patio, lots of parking for your RV or your car collection. What more can I say? Why don't we go take a look? Hey, great property, right? Thanks again for taking the time to view this video. What more can I say about this place? If you have any questions, please reach out to me regarding this property, any others out there. www.shanesetter.ca or info@shanesetter.ca. Look me up on Instagram, tag me on Facebook, LinkedIn. I'm everywhere. Thanks again for viewing this property. Till next time, bye now. It's one of those times where you're just not prepared.
Awesome.
There you go.
That was pretty good.
I'm freaking natural at this.